Hey guys, are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can set your Clickup account to personal, how you can switch the label as well. So let's start. First of all, what we have to do simply we have to open the Clickup website. So as you can see, I've already opened it. And after opening that, simply we need to click on this. As you can see, has the website. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to go to the settings icon. So let's click on the settings. And after clicking on the settings, as you can see, has the name. If you want to edit the username, you can also do that. And here's the white label. If you want to enable this, you have to also click on this. And this is, as you can see, this is the paid, so we have to provide these things. So I'm gonna cut this one. And now if you want to switch to personal, you have to click on this. As you can see, time to collaborate, turn off this off, all show features and design for team productivity. Now you won't see the team related options here. So in this way you can switch to personal, and if you want to white label, you have to buy the premium one. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can switch to personal. So see you guys in the next video.